a happy little vamp. Your left hand is just going to be oscillating between a G and a C. That's pretty easy. And then your right hand, you're going to be moving from G, B, C, and E with your 1, 2, 3, 5. And you're going to move up a step with everything, A, C, D, F, and then up a step with everything, B, D, E, G, and then back down. So you have this chord where there is a note, a space, a note, a note, a space, a note. So that symmetrical, evenly spaced thing, this guy. So you have so that's the look that you have, and you play it with these fingers. And then you add that left hand. And you try to make it nice and sweet.